Okay, so this is the installation of the GEN2 Oil Catch Can by McNally on a Ford F150 Lariat with 3.5 Ecoboost twin turbo. The mileage is 21,063. Okay, so we're going to start with the installation of the can, and what we have here is a bolt already on the firewall here mounted, so a bracket can come from the firewall here to hold our can. Okay, and so here is our inline for the dirty air to be pushed from the PCV point. Okay, and then so our secondary line is going to come from the second side port of the can to the throttle body fitting, which is right behind the throttle body into the intake manifold. Okay, and so with our third line, what we did is ran from the third line, we teed off into the turbo side inlet, the left side inlet, and from the tee, we teed into the sensor, which allows for no engine lights or anything like that, to the second drive side port. And so far, everything seems to be good. The vehicle's running great.